gosh. Can one of you please get me some water? Gosh. Oh, I remember. So I remembered we have a water fountain now. After many years of not having one, thanks to your generosity for last year's I Give Catholic campaign, which went way over our goal, we're able to do some other projects. And a lot of you have been asking for this. So if you come into the cry room right here, we have a brand new water fountain. So if you get a little cough like me, you can come get a drink. So thank you for your generosity to our community. It's a beautiful day. I'm going to go back outside.